Otasansan Radio and TV.
Ẹ ṣe Kabiesi o.
Yeah, but I must say something. I must say something because as I was sitting there, I observed something and I must comment about that. Wọ́n ní ọba kì í pé méjì láàfin. Wọ́n ní jóyè lè pé mẹ́fà láàfin. Wọ́n ní ṣùgbọ́n ọba kì í pé méjì láàfin. Ṣùgbọ́n ó dàbẹ̀ pé mò ń rí ọba kan bẹ̀ yẹn. Anyway, I thank you.
Kí n tó mú ọ̀rọ̀ Kábíyèsí wá, a kí Kábíyèsí ọba tuntun, ọba Èdùmàrè yóò jẹ́ kí ìgbà yín kó rọrùn, ìdàgbàsókè ńláńlá, ìtẹ̀síwájú, àlàáfíà yóò máa jọba nílùú Ìṣẹ́yìn lásìkò tiyín o. Ẹ ní kábàámọ̀ bí ohun rere, ó mèremère, ìdùnnú, ayọ̀, àlàáfíà, ìṣọ̀kan yóò máa wọlé wá o sílùú Ìṣẹ́yìn lásìkò tiyín láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Eku ó máa ké bí eku, ẹyẹ ó máa ké bí ẹyẹ, ọmọ ènìyàn ó sì máa fọhùn bí ọmọ ènìyàn. Aboyún ilé ó máa bí wẹ́rẹ́, àgàn wọ́n máa tọwọ́ àlàbòsùn, wọ́n máa finú ṣoyún, wọ́n sì máa fẹ̀yìn gbọ́mọpọ̀n. Oníṣẹ́ ọwọ́ mọ̀ rí tajé ṣe, olókoòwò yóò mọ bá dùnnú Elédùmarè pàdé, ìlọsíwájú ńláńlá yóò mọ wọlé wá o lásìkò tí ń gẹ́gẹ́ bí Àsẹ́yìn tìlú Ìṣẹ́yìn láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Ìgbà yín yóò mọ lé, àwo yín yóò mọ lé, ìdùnnú yín yóò mọ lékún sí ni o láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. A kí yín ẹ kú oríire ìgbọ̀pá àṣẹ o gẹ́gẹ́ bí Àsẹ́yìn ọgbọ̀n nílùú Ìṣẹ́yìn. A kí yín Kábíyèsí kádépẹ́ lórí o, kí bàtà kó pẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀, kẹ́ṣin ọba kó jẹ́ kó pẹ́ o. A kí yín o Kábíyèsí. Ẹ wá jẹ́ ká mú ọ̀rọ̀ àkọ́sọ Kábíyèsí wá fún yín kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́.
His Excellency, the Governor of Oyo State, Engineer Oluwaseyi Abiodun Makinde, FNSC. His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Oyo State, Barrister Bayo Lawal, Retired Honorable Speaker, Oyo State House of Assembly, Honorable Debo Ogundoyi, Honorable Supervisor Dele Adeola, members representing Ìṣẹ́yìn, Ìtẹ̀síwájú constituency in Oyo State, House of Assembly. Other honorable members of Oyo State House of Assembly here present, Distinguished Justice Kayode Ariwola and other judges and magistrates, the Secretary to the Oyo State Government, Professor Mrs. Adenike Adeyemo, the Chief of Staff to the State Government, Honorable Segun Ogunwuyi, Honorable Commissioner for Local Government and Chieftaincy Matters, others Honorable Commissioners of Oyo State here present, Chairman of Boards of Parastatals, Agencies and Commission in Oyo State here present, colleagues, Kabiesi and other traditional chiefs in our midst, head of security organizations, gentlemen of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a new dawn in Ìṣẹ́yìn, especially now that the executive governor of the state has given me the opportunity to traditionally administer Ìṣẹ́yìn land in accordance to the provision of the chief law of Oyo State, custom and tradition of Ìṣẹ́yìn people. I wish to express my readiness to make the best use of this charitable opportunity to serve not only my subjects in Ìṣẹ́yìn land, but generality of people in Oke-Ogun, Oyo State as a whole. I am aware of the fact that leadership in all parts of the globe is not an easy task. I want to assure my people and the Oyo State government that I have the preparation and strategies to tackle the challenges I met and even those to come with the best of my ability. I came to serve my people with three cardinal agendas: peace, unity, and prosperity. And to achieve this, I will be consulting the provision of the law and collaborating with my traditional chiefs and prominent noble subjects. As much as we have started witnessing rapid development in every nook and cranny of Aseyin land, courtesy of the effort of our dear governor and his supporting team in the state, it is pertinent to state here that this tempo can be sustained only if peace is maintained in the land. It is therefore my appeal that my good people in the Aseyin land should be peaceful at all times, especially with people from other parts of the country residing in the city. It is also important to express at this juncture that my rulership of the Aseyin land shall be premised on unity, and to get this done, I want to set a record that my people, irrespective of their religion, political and economic and social differences, shall come together and work selfishly for the growth and the development of the land, Oke Ogun, Oyo State, and Nigeria as a whole. His Excellency, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to assure my people and the Oyo State government that this throne shall be used to project the culture and tradition of Yorùbá, but with absolute respect for traditions and culture of others in the country. My palace will be made open to all individuals and groups, and viable developmental ideas will not be only considered but executed to foster better living for my people. It is part of agenda to get rid of poverty among my people. I shall therefore ensure employment generation is a priority for my teaming graduates and non-graduates, so that none of them can be easily lured into social vices nor constitute nuisance to the society. At this junction, I wish publicly announce that the throne of Aseyin is by pivotal, not only in Oyo State, but also in Nigeria. It is, however, the meaning and this earthly that the palace on ground cannot match the referred status of Aseyin, hence the need for a new construction of a befitting palace. To get this done, I have consulted some of our illustrious sons and daughters, and they have pledged their support for the vision. It must be stated here that Alhaji Ahmed Adeniyi Raji San has taken lead, as he had started constructing a modern residence worth millions of naira in the palace. I charge others to do the same, and also use that as a clarion call for the support of the Oyo State government on the dream to have a befitting palace. As I round off, I wish to appreciate His Excellency, Engineer Seyi Makinde, for all the projects he has executed in the state, with Aseyin local government as one of the major beneficiaries. I thank the Chief of Staff, Secretary to the Government, Commissioners, particularly for local government and chieftains matters, and all the lawmakers. I equally appreciate all members of state and local committees, the chairman of Aseyin local government and his team, our illustrious son, Alhaji Omokumi Mustafa, Chief Jalili Abiodun Owonikoko San, and several others who have contributed in no small way or measure to the success of this project and several other going on in the palace. May the Lord reward you all. Amen. Long live the Aseyin land, long live Oyo State, long live Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.
Kabiesi.
Yeah, but I must say something. I must say something, because as I was sitting there, I observed something and I must comment about that. Wọ́n ní ọba kì í pé méjì láàfin. Wọ́n ní jóyè lè pé mẹ́fà láàfin. Wọ́n ní ṣùgbọ́n ọba kì í pé méjì láàfin. Ṣùgbọ́n ó dàbẹ̀ pé mò ń rí ọba kan bẹ̀ yẹn. Anyway, I thank you for all the people that put this together. They really mimicking me. So thank you, Governor. I really appreciate you. Thank you for all your support. I appreciate you, sir.
Ẹ ṣe kábíyèsí o. Ẹ̀rù kọ́kọ́ bà mí, mo rò pé mi ni kábíyèsí náwó sí. Wọ́n á wò pé fìlà mo dé kèé sadé.